Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now we discuss about the product, a novel point matching algorithm based on fast sample consensus for image registration. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. Image registration is a task required in many applications of image processing where one must take measurements that involve multiple images. Registration is the alignment of multiple images so as to earlier elimination the difference between them or highlight the salient distance for the purposes of the study. In this existing system, most of the point matching method usually consists of 4 steps. That is, the first one is the feature detection, feature matching. Second step is feature matching. Third step is transformation, estimation, transformation and resampling. In this project, the system proposes a novel point matching algorithm. It can receive robust and accurate result when outlines are in the majority and deformation is larger. FCS can get more correct matches than RANSAC is less number of iterations. Iterative selections of correct matches algorithm and removal of the impression points algorithm effectively increase the accuracy of the results. This method proves that the proposed algorithm is robust and accurate. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset folder is the folder which consists of the several images which is undergone for the process. In this process, we have taken the two input image 1 and the input image 2. After getting the two inputs from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. Pre-processing is the process of removing the noise from the image, that is the nothing but the filtering process. After the pre-processing, the FSC, ISCM and IPRA, these are the three modules which are majorly considered for the point matching algorithm. After these three module execution, the shift feature is extracted from the images. The shift is the feature which is extracted. These are the values which comes out from the shift feature. The feature is nothing but the collection of the data. Then after collecting the data from the image, the plot matching points are undergone. The points which are it is nothing but the feature points which is extracted from the images are plotted as an boundary. Then the estimations is carried out. In the estimations, we have considered the three major things. First one is the PSNR and the MSE and the time. The PSNR is the peak signal to noise ratio and the mean square error, and the time is also calculated. After calculating these three things are plotted as a graph format. These are the overall data flow diagram for the process. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. In the left side of the current directory, you can see the several files. In that mainfile.m, select the mainfile.m and right click in that file. You can see the several options. Select the option run. Now the dataset folder was opened. In that you can see the images. Select the first image from the dataset. Now the first image is shown as an input image. Then select the second image from the dataset. Now the corresponding filtered and the resized image are shown. Now the features are extracted from the land image. Now the input image is shown in the figure 1 with the title input image 1. After the selecting the input image 1, the input image 2 is shown in the figure 2 with the title input image 2. Then the input image 1 and the input image 2 are shown in the figure 3 as an subplot. Now the corresponding filtered image for the input image 1 and the input image is shown in the figure 4 with the title filtered image 1 and the filtered image 2. Then the filtered image is resized as an optimum size, that is shown in the figure 5 with the title resized image 1 and the resized image 2. Now the feature points of the first image is shown in the figure 6. The green color dots are indicating the feature points. After getting the feature points from the image 1, then the feature points of the image 2 is shown in the figure 7. Now the matching points of the image is shown in the figure 8.